Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is Achkan. 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 Achkan is a traditional, knee-length jacket or coat worn in India. It is known for its royal and regal appearance, often adorned with intricate embroidery and rich fabrics, making it a symbol of elegance and heritage. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The groom looked resplendent in a golden achkan during the wedding ceremony. Why achkan is used in example number 1. Achkan is commonly worn during Indian weddings, symbolizing elegance and tradition. Example number 2. During official ceremonies, government officials often wear achkans to represent their heritage. Why achkan is used in example number 2. Achkan is used as ceremonial attire to represent cultural heritage. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.